Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, it's been a very busy week, and it's now Thursday. So today I thought I would jump on here and show you guys some items that I have actually finished. So yeah, I've got my coffee today. Yesterday I left it sitting in the house, and it was just crazy without my black coffee. So go ahead and grab you something to drink. I'm drinking good old black coffee. Grab you something to eat if you want. Sit back and relax. And let's see the items that I have finished. Let me set my coffee down real quick. Hold on just a second. Okay. I thought maybe I would show this. This is the vest. This is the, okay, turn around. This is the Annie's vest that I've been working on, and it's the one that I like so much that I'm going to make another one, or several actually. So yeah, this was from their the Annie's Crochet. This the Annie's Love to Crochet Kit. That's the name of it. Annie's Love to Crochet Kit. So anyway, I thought I'd jump on here and show this off to you guys and show you a few other items that I have actually got finished. And tomorrow's video, it will be an unboxing. I have a few items that I've purchased, and so I just thought maybe I would show those off as well. But I didn't want my videos to be too long, so I'm splitting it up. Okay, let's go ahead and jump to the clips of the items that I've made. Okay guys, this is the vest that I completed with the Annie's Love to Crochet Kit. And I'll insert a picture and you can see how it looks on. And I have to say, I'm very pleased with this. It's fan stitches. And let me show you the back side. There's the back. And I am making another one. I'll show you the yarn. It used 2 skeins of this. It's a 3-light, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. And let's see, I don't think there's a color, but I made a medium. That's what this is. And I had a whole skein left over to do something else with. It was splitty, just a tad bit, but not anything like the Premier bobbin yarn. So it was just a little bit, not bad. I've actually worked it up pretty fast. I used a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm telling you guys, this worked up really fast. Okay, I forgot to mention 310 yards was on here, so it basically took 620 yards to make that. There we go. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so this is my next one. This is actually one of my patterns, the Poncho pattern. And I used Yarn Bee Glowing. Coast is Clear is the color. And I got this at Hobbii Lobby, the yarn. I used a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook with it. This is, I believe it's 2 and almost, or say 2 1/3 skeins of yarn to make this. So I'm very pleased with it. I don't know if I'm going to add some tassel or not. I'll decide that later, because I won't be wearing that till this fall anyway. But I think it's going to just look great with my blue jeans, and I'm really tickled over it. This yarn is actually some really nice yarn. It's a little on the thick side. That's why it will be fall and winter before I actually wear this. What I did on the end is I just did the single crochets and then a row of single crochet, and then I did 3 single crochet, skip a stitch, slip stitch, single crochet, 3 single crochets, and I just kept repeating that all the way around. But yeah, so I'll leave the link below to this tutorial right here. and I'll leave the link to the Annie's Crochet Kit. Okay, so on to my third finished project, guys. Okay, so this is one of my patterns as well. This is called the Serenity Shawl pattern. And the yarn that I used for this, now I actually am thinking about putting some more yarn on it. This yarn was given to me by Hobbii. And let's see, it's Horizon 100% premium anti-peeling acrylic yarn. And it's just beautiful. Let's see what the color of this is. It says that it's a 3 light, designed in Denmark. Okay, here we go. The color is 19. And how many yards are on this thing? There it is, 601 yards on this. So, okay, and there it is. It's very pretty. All right, so I got 3 finished projects done. I'm super proud. Okay, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I had so much fun making those things, and I'm so proud of them. Let's go ahead and read our 365 days of prayer. I'm back. I had to go get my book. Let's go ahead and read the 365 days of prayer. Let's see. Today is May the 12th. It says, whole again. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He rescues those whose spirits are crushed. That's Psalms 34:17. Faithful Father, you are close to the brokenhearted. You do not distance yourself from those in pain. You draw close to them in your peaceful presence. You rescue those whose hopes have been dashed and who cannot stand on their own 2 feet. You care for the weak, holding their grieving hearts with your tender arms. You are not far away. When my heart is raw with complex emotions, draw me into your comforting arms of grace. When discouragement threatens to take the light out of my eyes, come close and surround me with your peaceful presence. You are the master restorer, making all things new. You don't return me to the way I was before pain became my teacher. You fill the cracks with your liquid love that shines like gold, making what was broken beautifully whole in you. What a glorious mystery. Come even closer, Lord. I need you. What broken parts of your life needs the Lord's restoration? This was just beautiful. Guys, I hope that this has helped you as much as it does me. I hope it blesses you. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Like I said, tomorrow's video, stay tuned, and I will show you a few things that I have purchased. And, yep, that's all that I have. So just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.